Hello, my name is Puka. Today I'm with the last canvas on color. You can see here the centerpiece of the painting. There is a black and white human. In the ancient time, the most dominant color was the darkness, the black. Why? Because the civilization was purely spiritual, and spirituality and in the dark world happened just before midnight to early morning. So the darkness was the powerful force in Egypt and all the ancient culture. Then this have been swapped to the European civilization, who started to worship the light of the world, and those color have been transferred into philosophy like the yin and yang, then to human. But there is not a black human, there is not a white human. These are philosophy put on human. When it comes to the ancient and the 1920 and 40 description of color, black was described as bad, like a black market, black day. Until today we're still using the same language by ignorance. And white is described as pure. So this cannot be assimilated to humanity, but unfortunately it's what we do to ourselves. If you take a black and you mix it with white, we will have a gray color, but humans are no gray. If we were black and white, if we receive a gray color, if our children are born with mixed race, children are born with a gray color, these are the real color of human. Human color are from, you can call it cream or yellow ochre or beige to dark brown. These are the color of human. And to this color, if we add or we mix them, we will receive the medium, the middle of both color. More color of human are being discovered day to day and map, and more race are born. Why? Because in the old time there was just one race, the darker color, the brown people. With time we have been witness and the mixage of many races, many different color of the same human race being born in our world. Why it is important? It is important because when you see on the picture in the 18th century, 19th century, the first picture was just black and white, so it was easy for people to be stuck in the mind when it comes to describe the human color. But today, with more technology, we can see clearly that no human is white and no human is black. These are the reality of humanity. Now, if you want to check the different foundation color matching table, you will see the same thing here, how everyone has his own color, and you can see the ivory, the bisque, the light beige, the radiant. These are very well described. Why? There is no white, starting by white color for the white people. If any human can present me a white human, I will give him everything I have. Why? Because there is no white human on earth. So we need to upgrade our knowledge, upgrade who we are. Why upgrade who we are? Because if we look at the history of the evolution in our world, this is a picture where before we used to use an old form of mobile phone. Then we swapped to this and we were happy. Now we are using the smartphone. If technology can upgrade, why not humanity? More than 100 million people are dying. Why? Because of ignorance about color. When you see the destruction that ignorance and the impact in the human civilization that color create is more than most of the war our humanity have been involved in. Just look at the killing in America. Why all these are so huge, and why do we have to come into the knowledge and change that ignorance? Look, 50 years ago, how did they treat the darker human? With no respect of their humanity. And if you call a human black and you call what is bad black, how will you be able to respect that human? It's impossible. And if you call yourself white, you make yourself to be pure and you call white pure, how will you see your own fault? It's impossible, because everything we do, we say, we end up believing in them. So we have been destroying order because our language helps us just to do that. But nothing is based on truth. The truth is, in the beginning was the darkness. Black is the origin color of life. It's where everything derives from. Because to have a light, you need to have the black first. Why? Because the light can just shine in the dark. And in every light, hide the darkness. If I switch off both lights here, the place is less light. There is less light. Why? Because darkness is forever. But the light comes for an instant. If you burn everything into this room, everything will become black. So most of human, they're sleeping in the dark. All our body is composed of dark. The dark matter in the universe is more than the light. The light that we receive come from stars, moon, sun, but those are temporary. But darkness is forever. It's the beginning and is the end. But if you read most of the book of religion and all other things, people believe the light shines in the darkness and the darkness is not understood. No, it's the darkness that gives birth to the light. The darkness is forever. The darkness is God. These are the things we need to come to acknowledge so that humanity will progress. Thank you for watching this painting about the color, and see you to the next painting. Bye.